Parc Morloi fi sy'n yma a croeso i Gwylio Arfordir. Heddi ni yma yn Parc Ceirw yn St Martin's Haven. Ni'n agos i Marloes yn de orllewin o Sir Benfro. A heddi ni'n mynd i bod yn siarad amdan Morloi. So mae Morloi yn rhan bwysig o'n hanes naturiol ac i gadw ni wybod mwy amdan nhw, mae'r swyddog ardal Cadwraeth Forol Skomer i Cyfoeth Naturiol Cymru dan ni heddi, Ceidwad. So mae hi wedi bod yn rhan o astudio'r anifeiliaid hyfryd yma ar y penrhyn dros y 28 blwyddyn diwetha a mae hi'n mynd i gadael ni gwybod mwy amdan y Poblogaeth Morloi yn Sir Benfro.
Seal productivity has been recorded here at the Marine Conservation Zone since the 1970s. This is done through the pupping season from August to November, where beaches are checked for pups every 2 to 3 days. Pups take around 15 to 20 days to wean. On average, 80% of our pups will survive to this stage. The results from recent surveys here show numbers have increased from around 220 pup births during the 1990s to now over 400 pups. Similar increases in productivity have been recorded at other sites around Pembrokeshire, for example around Ramsey Island and also Castle Martin in South Pembrokeshire. The long-term seal monitoring indicates that seal populations in Pembrokeshire and the wider Irish Sea area is currently in healthy condition. The part I love about seal monitoring is being able to get out onto the cliffs during the autumn months, being able to track individual seals from birth through to molt and being able to see the cows coming in and feeding their pups and watching the pups actually grow literally day by day as they gain weight.
Wel, diolch Kate. Ti'n fe, fydd hwnna mewn wylediad mor arbennig mewn i'r bywyd Morloi yn yr ardal Cadwraeth yma. Yr holl ffaith fi oedd bod yna 400 o Morloi yn yr ardal Cadwraeth yma ar y penrhyn ac ar Sgomer. Dwi'n jyst credu bod hwnna mor sbesial i clywed. Ni wedi dod lawr fan hyn mas o'r gwynt i cwrdd â rhywun o'r Ymddiriedolaeth Genedlaethol. So mae Thompson dan ni heddi a mae fe'n gweithio fel Ceidwad yn yr ardal yma. So, hiya Matt. So,
Hiya.
How long have you worked for the trust for then?
So I've worked for National Trust for 33 years and I was a volunteer for 18 months before that. So yeah, I know the Deer Park headland fairly well.
Yeah, that's amazing. So what work have you got coming up? What's planned for the year ahead?
For this year ahead, in terms of the seals, we're running seal walks from August to November. You can book those online and we meet at the National Trust car park and it's a gentle stroll around the headland for about 1.5 to 2 hours and it's right in the middle of the sort of seal pupping season, so you won't be disappointed. It's a very sort of sensory experience and it really sort of connects you with nature.
Lovely. What advice might you give to people that want to come and view seals on this headland here?
Yeah, I think the obvious one is cliff edges. Just be mindful of that. And in terms of the seals themselves, try and remain as inconspicuous as possible because they get quite easily stressed. If you've got dogs, keep them under control.
Great stuff, thanks for that Matt.
You're welcome.
Wonderful. Wel, diolch yn fawr, diolch am ymuno gyda ni ar Gwylio Arfordir a mwy o wybodaeth amdan sut i gwylio Morloi heb achos i straen cer i'r sylwadau o dan. Diolch fawr. Tara!